Okay, guys, we're back again. And this is kind of done, so you know what time it is. Let's use more of our blocks too. Wait. I died to a spider. Let's go to sleep. I'm gonna be super quiet because this is gonna be a quiet challenge. Quiet challenge. Oh god, that looks so cool. See the sides. Oh god, that looks so cool. I think those are the spiders who killed. You guys having a party? Don't hit me. It's my own world. So don't hit me. Okay, let's do this house. Let's use our half-broken axe. Then we can use our new axe. We're gonna replace this with this, and then we're gonna replace this with this. Then we're gonna see how cool it will be. Ooh. This is gonna look so nice. I'm gonna destroy this, whatever this thing is. We're gonna destroy it. I don't know what this is. Then we're gonna destroy the chimney too, because we don't need it. I have a feeling I'm gonna break one of my chests just because I'm using this. Okay, that's it. Now we can. Oh wait, no. Yeah, like that. Now we can replace all this.
Would you like your food? Huh?
Now that will look cool and tough.
Jackson, you want yours yet?
No. I don't know how cool this is gonna look. God, doesn't this look like stairs? It just looks like stairs, not gonna lie. Oh, you gotta be pooping me. Looks like I have to do more stuff. Fix this hole. I'm not happy.
Pepper steak. It's actually not all fucking hard.
What if we're gonna replace the ground with? And the final touches. What's underneath? Or whatever that is. Oh, that's good. I may need more tough blocks.
Okay, this is yours.
Thank you.
Now let's start.
Oh no, and the good tacos.
Oh, dang it. Oh.
Jackson.
Thank you.
Jackson.
God, I'm almost.
For your pleasure.
Oh god, I may need more. Oh god. Wait, this might. Oh no, it's not. Oh, just 4 more.
Yeah.
Oh god, I'm gonna have to go down in the cave and just get 4 more.
He said, I made it very clear that if you're talking.
Well, let's go mine more.
He
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
said that you know you are strictly 10 hours a week. You know how she's been sleeping in the extra hour 11? She was only supposed to be doing 10 for the last 3 months. She like snuck in 2 hours. Bobby said,
but that is definitely looking very tough.
For a while, he's like, you need to go back to 10. So she fucked herself just for 3 hours. Well, I told her straight out. I told her, you remember, you said you were not clocking in with PT on Monday.
Better not miss this time. Oh, thank God.
Cassidy worked it. I said, so you did lose 8 hours of PT, and we're going to have a 32-hour paycheck with that. She said, well, that's fine, I guess. I'm like, you're the one that said you weren't clocking in with them. She worked it. So, for this week, you will only have 32 hours. I'm not taking it away from her. I could reject it, but I'm not. She wanted to take that chance. She's the one that said, don't clock in with PPM on do Heritage. She said it. So Cassidy fucking worked it.
Oh no, I'm gonna get back up.
Exact side. Exactly. To whatever.
Fastest way to get up there is to.
I get all these at Alicia's on the top of my feet.
Owie. Oh god, my diamond armor's about to break already.
How do you keep getting credit cards? I have really good credit, but I can't get a secured credit card. Unsecured, I mean.
No, that looks nice and fancy.
I
got one idea that might be nice.
Try again in 30 days.
Oh god, I still have that.
To have it, catch up on shit. You. Taxes. I tried. So to surprise you, but
Nice. Yeah. Oh great. Yeah. I hate creepers. No, I gotta retake bro. See how sick this is.
I don't think you can pay taxes with credit.
How do you? It would have been a loan. It would have been a loan. I don't know how to do that. They asked for my I think it would have went to my account.
And they never. Did you ever open any of the papers?
Okay.
I never
Bro.
get no paper from the IRS.
Why am I?
I look every day.
There we go. Not for you.
No, that's gone. They took that.
Oh.
Remember, I got that email in the very beginning. Well, I knew that was possible.
Don't talk to the just a regular. It's all right.
It's a vegetable roll.
Yeah, don't take the flow. Slack it.
Yeah, it's from number 1 kitchen. I didn't get house. We got King's whatever before, and I wanted to try this one.
What the? Okay.
They even put his fucking rice in a nice little bowl.
And we should make this tough.
Get all fucking,
God, this is gonna take so long.
Well, this is the fucking freshest egg roll I've ever had. It's delicious. Well, it ain't delicious, but yeah, it was good.
Not all fucking crunchy and
Gotta go get. Gotta go get that. I have to get a lot. What is my with? I was like, is that coal? Is that DEEPSLATE coal? And then they found it was diamonds. That is super lucky. Wait. Oh my god. 4 diamonds. That's nice. I'm gonna also need some of these too. I got to get more tough. Oh, bruh. Okay. Is that enough? Let's see if I can try to find. I just need one more diamond to get a new pickaxe and a new sword. Now let's try to find diamonds. Iron? Okay, I'll take it. Yeah, I'll replace my irons with my diamonds. You really think I would actually do that? More iron. More iron. Dang, you made me break it. Don't have any more, so. Hey, creeper, can you kill me? Yeah. And, okay. Goodbye, guys. Good night and goodbye, guys.